It's important to maintain your Bose sound control hearing aids and regularly replace accessories. In this video, we'll help you understand when and how to replace the ear tips. Before we begin, it's important to note that replacement ear tips can be ordered through our partnership with Lexi Hearing. Visit lexihearing.com/Bose accessories to learn more. When the ear tips begin to wear, feel stiff, or discolor, replace them. This can vary by use, but typically the ear tips need to be replaced every 3 months. Hold the speaker and firmly pull off the current ear tip. Now pick up one of the new ear tips. Each ear tip can be attached to either the left or right hearing aid. Align the opening of the new ear tip with the speaker and then slide it on. Gently pull on the ear tip to make sure it's secure. Do not wear the hearing aid if the ear tip isn't secure. Otherwise, the ear tip could become stuck in your ear canal. Now repeat these steps for the other hearing aid. Now put the hearing aids back on and check the fit and sound of your hearing aids. For additional support, visit our website, or to buy replacement accessories, visit Lexi Hearing.